In this demonstration, we're going to show you how to create a Google Doc. One of the first things you're going to want to do is to sign into your student Gmail account. And once you're in your student Gmail account, you're going to go over to the right-hand side, click on the four dots, and here you'll see all of the Google options that you have. What we want to do is we want to click on Docs because we want to create a brand new Google document. Previous documents that have been created will pop up, but if we want to create something new, we can start from a template, or typically we're going to click on blank. At this point in time, your new document has been uploaded. From here, you want to go up into the title, and so we're just going to call this our test document. And then from there, we're going to type whatever needs to be typed. Okay. You will see that there are still a lot of the same features that you're going to find as in Microsoft Word, such as your file, your edits. We can do different formatting. I can take the text, I can make it bold, I can do all sorts of different things. And if you notice, every time I go to change something, so I'm going to click on the word whatever, I'm going to click italics, you'll notice up here that it automatically is saving, and it saves to the drive. So once you're done, you're basically done and your document is created because it is set to auto save. At this point in time, you can basically just hit the back key to go back to pretty much this shows your library of documents that you have created. And you can see right here is that test document, and also gives us the information of when it was last opened. So this is how you go through the process of creating a brand new Google document, and you want to make sure that you do this within your student.elgin.edu account, because this will help you later on when it comes time to actually share the link or submit the file.